Good morning, grade 11 entrepreneurship students. Today we will try to understand about the significance or the importance or the benefits of doing e-commerce or e-business. Right? In the previous class we understood the distinguishing factors between what is e-commerce and e-business, how far they differ from each other, and we also understood the evolution of market, how market came into existence, right from the golden era to the 70s and 60s market to the 80s and 90s market, and today we are in the market of e-business or e-commerce, right? Again I am repeating, when you do business with the help of, when you do the sales, when you do the manufacturing with the help of internet technology, it is called as e-business. When the entire transaction takes place, when the consumer also buys with the help of internet, or any other transaction, loans, etc. happens through the help of internet, then it is referred to as e-commerce. Now we'll try to understand the role of e-business or e-commerce. That is the benefits basically. 1. Quick solution to doubts. Suppose you have a doubt or a query about a product. You bought a product and you have a doubt or a query about it. How to use the product, or there is a doubt, technical product it is, you have a doubt. Suppose your system got hacked. Suppose the antivirus is not working, or the fridge is not working properly, then you can call the customer care, or you can just check it out in the internet and fix the problem, right? So with the help of internet you can fix the problem. All the doubts and queries of the customers are satisfied, customers are cleared, thereby it increases the customer satisfaction and increases the sales. For every small thing, if you have to physically visit the store and ask the retailer, he will be busy doing a lot of sales. So he may not attend you properly. But in online, that facility is not there. Even in if you have doubts regarding to your bank account, why it got debited, or you want some kind of other help from the bank, like a demat service or something, it is just on the internet, a touch screen away, right? This increases the customer satisfaction. Then comes the updated information, the latest information or the latest version of the product. All that is available in the website of the company. That is, say for example, a new car is launched. The features, the engine, the CC, the make, the body, the texture, everything is updated in the website. So just a click away, you can go and get information. A new phone is launched, a new iPad is launched, or probably a new textbook is launched, a new reference material is launched. Every information is available just a click away. You don't have, by sitting at your place, just by a touch away from your phone, you can get a lot of information related to the latest trends in the market. Extending the market, right? Extending the market includes the concept of globalization. Today we are not restricted ourselves, like in the golden era the market was limited to the exhibition or the fair where the mela used to happen. Then they said the region or the district. Then now, is it any place? Is place significant for a market? No. If you want to buy an imported product, or if you want to buy an international branded product, you can. It is just a click away. It is delivered to your doorstep. So market is not referring to one state, one region, one country. Market refers to the entire globe here. Anywhere on earth, if you want any product, it is just a click away. There are so many shopping apps and websites and web portals available where, with the help of internet, you can able to purchase a product of wide variety. You can choose from a variety, and that variety is not restricted to your own state or your own country or district. It is extended to the extent of the entire globe, right? Shortening of the distribution channel. Shortening of the distribution channel refers to the fact that since the customer is directly contacting the manufacturer, the wholesaler, the retailer, in between middlemen are eliminated. So their profit need not be paid. Hereby the customer is getting the product at a very reasonable price. Suppose the market or the product costing, say for example, we can say this with a classic example. Suppose a biscuit packet is there. We will put it somewhere here, children. Suppose a biscuit packet is there, the cost of the biscuit packet is 10 rupees. The manufacturer produces it at 3 rupees, wholesaler takes 2 rupees profit, retailer takes 2 rupees profit, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 rupees is a profit for the manufacturer. Ultimately, consumer pays 10 rupees for the biscuit, including MRP, inclusive of all taxes. Now what happens? These two get eliminated because the customer is directly contacting the manufacturer. So thereby he will get the same product at 7 rupees because middleman expenses is eliminated. Understood? Right. When you compare the courier charges with the middleman expenses, it is reasonably very low. Courier expenses are cheaper, right? Next, Saving of time and cost. The physical visit to the shop is avoided. You don't have to visit the shop physically, put the petrol, take the car or a bike or go by walk and then visit the store and then do the purchases. That time is saved. That energy is saved. That effort is saved because it is just a click away. Right? Then comes less risk in payments. Yes, because there are secure socket layers, now banks have issued there's a lot of plastic money happening, like your debit card, your credit card, your purchases card, your shopping card, the Diners Club card. So many varieties of cards are available. Just if you have to type the number and the PIN code or the password that it asks, right? The OTP is sent and then you can make your purchases. I don't have to explain largely about risk in payment. See, a little amount of risk with regard to money will always be there. Even in a physical store, after you give that 100 rupees, he may say that you have not given. Same way, some kind of small errors happen, but to a large extent compared to the physical store in the internet, the charges, the chances of, the percentage of chances of getting cheated is very less, right? Easy to launch new product. Even in fact, most of the people when they do shopping, they do COD, cash on delivery. Right, easy to launch new products. Yes, it is very easy to launch new products because when I introduce a new product, I can mail you, I can put it in the website, I can put a pamphlet, I can put a brochure, everything on my website and in the other sites like Amazon, Flipkart or wherever I am selling and even the social media. So it becomes easy for me to advertise and market about the new product that I have launched. Last one is lower personal cost. Yes, a computer will replace close to 5 to 10 people. 10 or 15 people's work is now replaced by the system and that system is able to contact, a single system is able to contact lakhs and lakhs of customers around the globe. Earlier people had to physically go to the customer or to the retailer to sell the product. Now it is just a click away. So thereby I am saving a lot of money with regard to payment of labor, salary, wages, etc. Now all I have to do is to pay my internet bill. That's it. One computer is doing the task of so many humans. So that means that it has become labor intensive to capital intensive to technically advanced business, right? So these are all the advantages or benefits with regard to e-business. One quick shot, easy solution to the doubts. If you have any clarification, you can right away ask in the internet only through a chat medium and thereby it increases the customer satisfaction. Updated particularly in banks and other businesses, this is very useful. Customer call centers and customer care, they use a lot of internet. Updated information, any new changes in the price or any new changes in the product, that information is clearly given through the website and it is official, it is legal, nobody can cheat you. Right? Extended markets, yes, the market is not restricted to the district, area, village, town, nation, but it is the entire earth now. Anywhere, any country, any product, just a click away. Shortening the distribution channel, eliminating the retailers and wholesaler will enable the customer to gain a better profit, larger share in cheaper products. Saving the time and cost, you don't have to physically visit the site to buy the product or purchase the product. Rather, you can sit at your home and then at your convenience, the product is just a click away. Less risk in payment. Most of the people, they prefer to go with the plastic money, right? So there is also an evidence. There are secure socket layers. The website is highly protected. So don't have to panic or worry about the payment. Easy to launch new products because it is just, you have to prepare good brochures, good presentations and then mail it up to the customer or probably put up in your website. The customer will, whoever is interested will be able to research further about it. Lower personal cost, computer replacing humans is lower personal cost, right? Thank you and have a fantastic day.